Now, YouTube give you different ways for you to make money, like different ways. They don't only pay you through watch paid ads. They don't only pay you through super thanks, but there are different various ways. And one of those ways is membership. And these are some of my memberships that I have here. And why I'm actually doing this video is because on my live stream yesterday, my community actually reminded me that I promised them that I'm going to be doing a membership setup video for them, but I've not been able to do it. And I actually left that my second channel, my third channel that was monetized, just because I wanted to show you guys practically, step by step, detail by detail, how you can actually set your membership. Okay, but now before you go ahead to set your membership, there are some certain criteria that you need to know that YouTube has actually made it available to us. YouTube said every earnings that you're going to be getting from this membership, you are going to keep 70% and YouTube will keep 30% of whatsoever your members are subscribing to. Now, these are the mistakes that a lot of people make when they want to set up membership, especially for those ones that are new in the system, or maybe you just recently got monetized. Now, if you get monetized, one of the mistakes you should never make is going to set your membership to a very high amount. You understand? You go to some person's membership, you're seeing 10,000 naira, 5,000 naira, even up to 20,000 naira for someone that just started. So when people actually come to like contribute to your channel, they see that the amount is ridiculous, they will just take a step back. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. So, but as a new person that just want to set up a membership, set it to an affordable rate. That is why if you go to my Vibe membership, you will see, I think 1,500. I think I have a membership of 400 or something like that. You understand? But people are subscribing, you get. I know that, yes, I am not where I'm supposed to be yet, but at least I'm grateful that people that will just set ridiculous amounts and then you're not getting anything at all. Now, another thing is every single money you're going to be getting from your membership, YouTube do not have a specific place that they are keeping it for you. They are going to accumulate everything and then pay you at the end of the month when they are paying you your normal YouTube paycheck if you meet up to the threshold. So I just feel like membership is another way for you to meet up to the YouTube threshold on the YouTube community and then make more money. You understand? That is why one of the most important things for you to do is try your possible best to build a loyal fan that can actually love you, love the content you're doing, and then they can be able to subscribe. I've gotten people, a lot of people subscribe to my membership of 10,000 naira or even more. You understand? Anyways, with that being said, let me not keep you guys waiting. Let us get right into this video. Let me show you guys how to set your membership step by step, detail by detail, procedure by procedures. Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It Vibes, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are cute. If it's first time, do it, subscribe, like, to drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. Meanwhile, so that you can know if you set your membership to some level that YouTube is not really comfortable with it, YouTube has the right to reject your membership and they have the right to also accept your membership. So that is why I said there are procedures to this. Anyways, let's just get right into the tutorial so that I don't just keep talking anyhow. So to get the membership, all you need to do, go to your YouTube studio. You can use the desktop version, whichever one you prefer. Click on the earning sign so that you can activate it. You can see that on this end I just activated 3, which is watch paid ads, short feed, and then supers. Now for membership, you can see that my membership is here and is not activated. So go ahead and click on membership. Now if you click on membership, you can see here they say grow your community and earn money. Here you can read anything you want to read here. Okay, turn on your engagement subscribers into paying members and earn 70% of net revenue. So it simply means that to every members that is going to be joining, you're going to be earning 70% out of it. You get. Now after that, go ahead and click on explore next step. So if you click on explore next step, you can see start by choosing your peg. Now pegs what you want to offer to your fan. See what these persons, they're just going to like give you recommendations for other creators. You understand? So now for you to continue, you can go ahead and leave this 3 as it is ticked like this. If you want to add more pegs, which is membership only video or discounted merchandise, you can go ahead and still tick this. But this is going to say for your creators used by other creators like you, they have membership shout out, membership only shorts, early access to new videos. Okay, now go ahead and click on next, of which it will take you to level 2. Now for level 2, now I say recommend based on your selected pegs. Now how much do you want your people to be paying? That's for level 1 here. And if you click here, you can see there's 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, there's 5,000 to even any amount that you want here. So I can go ahead and choose 2,000 naira. Okay, so if I put 2,000 naira so that it to be accessible for a lot of people, they will get early access to video, they'll get membership only shorts, and they will get
members shout out as well. Now for level 2, how much do I want to put here? Me, I don't have big eyes, you understand, so I'll just go with 4,000 naira so that it can also be affordable. And this one include discounted merchandise and then membership only video. Go ahead and click on next. Now you can see here your level 1 is 2,000 naira, and you can see your loyalty whatsoever they are putting here. If you want to actually click on the setting, you can still click on the setting to choose if you want a customized badge. But for me, there is no need for customized badge. Right now, this is for your level 2 as well, so this is just the breakdown for it. So if you want to even re-choose anything you want to choose here, you can as well by clicking on the pen. Now go ahead and click on next. Now if you click on next, you will say review and fix. Okay, so level 1, what is the name? Now let me put vibe with Sonia, vibe with Sonia fan. Okay, now level 2, what is the name for level 2? I can just put my lovely fan. Okay, so I can just put my lovely fans here. Okay, which is for level 2. Sorry, I need to correct this to fans here. Okay, now once you already get a name for them like this, directly you can go ahead and click on next. Now if you click on next, they will say it will say let us help you. We can help you promote membership and other fan blah blah blah. The highlight: if you have 8+ members, show their profile pictures on your page. Thanks members: if you have 8 members, show their profile picture, and the rest of that. Just turn this on or off, which automatically this one will be turned on, so there is no need for you to turn it off. Okay, so go ahead and click on next. Now they will say review our terms, so go ahead and click on you have review, tick it like this, and go ahead and click on what confirm. Okay, so if you click on confirm, automatically let's say your levels are in review. We'll get back to you in the next 24 hours once it is being approved. Now we'll wait till when YouTube get back to us, then we'll come back to launch our membership. Okay, so let's wait, guys. So you guys, you can see that YouTube has approved this particular one. They said congratulations, you are ready to launch. And then what I would just need to do is to go ahead and click on launch membership. You understand? Once you click on launch, you just let this rotate, and here it is. Your estimated analytics will automatically show. Did you know creators who mention members in videos saw 3 times more? This one is just them giving you tips on how you can like get more membership to your channel, and it is going to play out the record here for you in your last 30 days. It is also going to show you your levels, your badges, your emojis, and then your special features. And you can see here it is also going to show you that you don't have any members yet for this one, because I don't have any member. But let's go to my other channel that I have members. Let me show you guys. So yeah, this is my Bible Senior channel. So let's go and click on the membership. So if I click on the membership, let's allow this load. And yes, you can see that in the last 30 days I made $29.05 from membership, and total members of 36 members, and I'm grateful. And you can see some of my members here, and I'm so grateful for all of this. To all of you that are supporting me using membership, I do not take you guys for granted. Please, if you watch this video, drop your comments for me and said I am a member of your Vibe Sonia channel, so that I can give you guys a special shout out, because it is not easy for you to be a member. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. So this is how you can activate your membership. Now let's get right back to round up this particular video.
Anyway, so after knowing how to set your membership, I hope you can set your membership appropriately so that YouTube can actually accept it and launch your membership for you. I wish you good luck, and I wish you more members joining into your membership. And please do not forget that when you're done setting, create videos for membership. Make sure you give membership a special shout out. Make sure that every single thing you're doing, members should have access, and exclusive access for that matter. If you have not subscribed, like, video, comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, like I say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.